In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Shopify partner. This is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to expand their business horizons by collaborating with one of the leading commerce platforms in the world. Whether you're a developer, a marketer, or a consultant, becoming a Shopify partner opens up a myriad of possibilities, from developing apps and themes to offering your professional services to a vast network of merchants. Let's dive right into the process, which is simpler than you might think if you follow these steps closely. First, we'll begin with the basics. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's the gateway to virtually all the information in the world, including how you can start your journey as a Shopify partner. Once you're on Google, type in Shopify partners into the search bar. This term will lead you directly to the resources you need. You'll likely see various results, but you're looking for the one that reads Become a Shopify partner today, Shopify. It's this link that will direct you to the heart of where your journey begins. Clicking on this search result redirects you to Shopify's official partner page. It's here that Shopify outlines the benefits and the scope of its partner program. This is a critical page because it provides an understanding of what it means to be a partner, the opportunities available, and the potential benefits for your business. Once you've acquainted yourself with what Shopify offers, it's time to take the first official step by clicking on Join. This is your entry point into the partnership program. Shopify has designed this process to be as seamless and as informative as possible, ensuring you have all the information you need at every step. Upon clicking Join, you'll be presented with two options. You can either choose to create and set up a new partner organization or join an existing partner organization. This step is crucial because it dictates how you'll interact with the Shopify ecosystem. If you're starting anew, creating a new organization will be your go-to. However, if you're joining forces with an already established partner, then you'll want to select the option to join them. For those creating a new partner organization, you'll be led to a page requiring you to fill out various details about your company. This information is vital as it helps Shopify understand more about your business and how best it can support you in the partnership. Alternatively, if you're joining an existing organization, after selecting that option, you'll need to navigate to the pending invitations section. This is where you'll find invitations from organizations looking for partners like you. Accepting an invitation merges your journey with theirs, opening up a path to collaborate and grow together within the Shopify ecosystem. It's important to note that whether you're starting a new partnership or joining an existing one, the quality of the details you provide cannot be overstated. Your profile and the information you share lay the groundwork for how potential clients or collaborators view your business. And that's it. You've officially embarked on your journey as a Shopify partner. This partnership opens up a multitude of opportunities for growth, learning, and collaboration within the Shopify community and beyond. As you explore the Shopify Partner Dashboard, familiarize yourself with the resources, tools, and support provided by Shopify to help you succeed. Whether it's developing Shopify apps, creating stunning themes, or offering your professional services to enhance e-commerce stores, the possibilities are endless. Becoming a Shopify partner is not just about having another badge under your business's name. It's about joining a global community that's changing the face of commerce one step at a time. As you grow your expertise and offerings, remember that being a partner is also about adding value to the ecosystem, helping merchants succeed, contributing to the community, and ultimately playing a part in shaping the future of commerce. So embrace this journey with an open mind and a commitment to excel. Collaborate, innovate, and contribute to a platform that's empowering businesses worldwide. Welcome to the Shopify Partner Program, and here's to your success. Thank you for tuning into this guide on how to become a Shopify partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of commerce.